let's move forward with our biyahe sender of the night. This one was sent to us over at our Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas. Ito na po ang biyahe ng buhay ni Ann. Hello DJ Lala, isa po ako sa avid fan mo. Taray, may avid fan ako. Kahit nung nasa ibang bansa pa ako, pinapanood kita sa YouTube. Sana mapansin mo tong message ko. Itago mo na lang po ko sa pangalang Ann, 25 years old at galing ako sa 3 years LDR, nag-end siya last November last year. After 5 months, nag-start na ako mag-date-date hanggang sa may nakilala ako. Naging kami for 1 month tapos may nangyari sa amin. Nag-break po kami after ng first month sa rin. Ang bilis naman. Bakit ang bilis? Nag-break po kami after ng first month sa rin namin. Pero last month, nalaman ko pong I'm 1 month pregnant po. Tules. Sharpshooter si kuya. Sinabi ko po sa kanya, tapos ang sabi niya, willing naman siyang panindigan. Mag-settle na daw kami. Ang problema po kasi DJ Lala, ang dahilan kung bakit kami nag-break nung una ay hindi ko maramdaman na mahal niya ako. Sinasabi niya pero hindi sa gawa. Ngayon ganun po uli siya eh. Ako po yung naguguluhan. Pakiramdam ko po kasi di rin kami magtatagal kasi ngayon nga na kailangan ko ng pag-iintindi niya. Siya pa yung uma-attitude sa akin. Sinasabi niya na bipolar daw kasi siya. Gusto ko siyang intindihin kasi gusto ko na rin namang mag-settle down with him. Pero po kasi pakiramdam ko di niya ako mahal katulad ng pagmamahal ko sa kanya. Ano bang pwede kong gawin? Minsan pumapasok na sa isip kong maging single mom na lang ako kesa ipagpilitan ko yung sarili ko sa taong hindi ko naman maramdaman kung mahal ba ako. Sana matawagan niyo po ako or ma-explain niyo po sa akin nang maayos. Aasahan ko po yan and more power to your show. Well, hi Ann. First of all, maraming salamat sa pag-send ng iyong biyahe ng buhay dito sa ating programa. Ann, didiretso na ako sa gusto kong sabihin sa'yo, no? My love, ganito, no? If you wanna settle down with this guy because kailangan ng ama ng anak mo and you just want to provide your kid a family, I get you. I totally get you. Practicality yung pinag-uusapan natin and it's just but right na lumaki yung bata in a household na andyan yung nanay at tatay niya, nag-aalaga sa kanya. Kumbaga, bigyan natin siya ng chance to a whole family. Pero regarding your relationship, you have to talk things out. Feeling ko kasi, my love, hindi nyo palubusan lang talagang kilala yung isa't isa. And you are there for judging him na hindi kanya mahal katulad ng pagmamahal mo sa kanya. A lot of people kasi merong tayong kanya-kanyang language of love. May different ways tayo of showing how much we love someone. Not because hindi tayo magkapareho ng language of love, hindi ako as expressive as you are, hindi ako magbigay ng gift, hindi ako malambing, hindi ako touchy. It doesn't necessarily mean and it doesn't automatically mean na hindi kita mahal katulad ng gusto mong pagmamahal. It's just that, my love, hindi lang ako ganong klaseng tao, pero mahal kita. Nagigets mo ko, Ann, meron tayong magkaibang language of love, but that doesn't mean na magkaiba tayo ng level ng pagmamahal natin sa isa't isa. Kasi if this guy doesn't really love you, if this guy is not at all interested to spend his lifetime with you, imposible namang wala siyang ibang options. Imposible namang hindi kanya ipinaglaban sa mga magulang niya, sa pamilya niya na all of a sudden, he is deciding on settling down with you. Imposible namang hindi niya pinagdaanan yun just because trip niya lang. Or just because wala lang, gusto niya lang magkapamilya. No, he did it because he loves you. And for him to tell you na, pasensya ka na, bipolar ako, or ganito talaga ako, bipolar talaga ako, it means he is trying to open up to you. He is trying to show you how uncomfortable he is. Nasabihin sa'yo yung katotohanan na there are certain days na hindi niya makontrol yung sarili niya. So, ikaw na nagmamahal, instead of intindihin mo siya, instead of just intindihin mo siya, you help him change himself for the better. O diba, ikaw yung magtuturo sa kanya ng proper way on how to express himself to you. naiintindihan ko na kapag may nagdadalang tao ka, kapag buntis ka, medyo some kind na iba yung iba yung sensitivity levels mo eh. You are too sensitive, for the lack of better term. Masyado kang sensitive kapag buntis ka. Nagigets ko yon. Pero if you are really in this relationship with the thought of being on the long haul with this guy, kailangan yung matutunang mag-adjust sa isa't isa. Mag-compromise, kumbaga. Feeling ko kasi nabigla lang din kayong dalawa sa sitwasyon ninyo kasi 1 month nyo palang halos kinilala yung isa't isa ng lubusan eh. Kumbaga, yung 1 month na yon doesn't even guarantee na kilalang kilala nyo na yung isa't isa to settle down. But you guys were given a difficult situation. You guys were given a difficult task, and that is to raise a child together. I think you have a chance to have the strongest foundation any relationship can have, and could have. And that is having a child. And that is, sabihin na natin, starting your family life with each other. So, instead of trying to negate and trying to stop, or sabihin na natin, trying to, ano ang tamang term dito? Hindi ko mahanap yung tamang term ko eh. Instead na lang siguro of trying na pigilin yung isa't isa, na makilala yung isa't isa, because ang nakikita mo lang as of the moment ay yung lahat ng pangit sa kanya. I urge you to give this relationship a chance. Ini-urge kita na bigyan mo ng tsansa itong relasyon na to by really knowing this person, by really getting to know this person, by giving an effort in order to understand and help this person. Kasi this relationship is not just about understanding. It's about helping each other. It's about changing each other for the better. And maybe ikaw yun. Ikaw yung way na yun para maging maayos siya. Ikaw yung way na yun para maayos niya yung sarili niya, para maayos niyang ma-express yung sarili niya. Tulungan mo din siya, my love. Huwag ka lang mag-expect sa kanya na on the snap of a hand, snap ng finger mo, magbabago siya overnight. It's not gonna be that way. You have to keep in mind na it will take time para maging maayos siya. It will take time before mo lubusang maintindihan yung language of love niya. Pero that doesn't mean it's going to be an impossible road for you. Naintindihan mo ko, Ann? Wag kang mag-give up easily. Wag mong madaliin yung progress ninyong dalawa. Bigyan nyo ng tsansa yung isa't isang makilala ng lubusan yung isa't isa. Bigyan mo ng tsansa tong pamilya nyong mabuo. Sabihin na natin in 2 years time, in 3 years time, kapag wala ka pa rin naramdaman, kapag hindi mo pa rin talaga naiayos yung relationship ninyong dalawa, kapag hindi pa rin kayo nagkaunawaan at nagkaintindihan, that's when you give up. But for now, my love, like siguro nung last month, nung nagkakilala kayo at nag-break kayo, it's just too early for you to give up. Naintindihan mo ko, Ann? You are not just only deciding for yourself right now. Unlike last month, you are deciding for another life, and that is your kid. So you have to be very careful, you have to be forgiving, and you have to be stronger than you are, or you were last month. Intindihan mo ako, my love? Klaro? Klaro.